Yo, what is up guys, Jennifer here and welcome back to another video. Today's video guys, I'll be painting my graphics card. So for this video, I'll be using my RTX 2060, the Asus RG Strix version. As you know, in the previous video, I used the MSI, but I changed to this one because the temps on that one is not really good. So I'll be pairing this with this cable mod vertical PCI bracket to showcase the looks of this graphics card. So let's start. Step 1. Plan. First, you need to plan what part of the graphics card you will gonna paint. Depends on your liking. In my case, I will just paint the shroud of this graphics card, so I don't need to disassemble all the parts and it will be much easier, right? If you want, you can paint the backplate of your graphics card. It's your choice, but please don't paint the PCB. In my case, since this will be mounted vertically, so no need to paint it. Step 2. Prepare. You need a screwdriver, a tape, and of course, a spray paint. For the paint, I will use this plastic spray paint. This is just a rubber coating paint, so you can just easily peel this off if you wanted to. This is also an option if you don't want to break the warranty of your graphics card, because you can just peel off the paint if you want to warranty the card. And for the tape, you need a painter's tape, not this one. Yeah, trust me. Step 3. Disassembling. First, you need to locate the screws on your GPU. If you're unsure where to locate it, you can find other helpful videos regarding what card you have. In my case, this card has 3 screws on the side of the shroud and 3 more screws behind the fans. So, let's start to disassemble. And yeah, you need a screwdriver. So there you go guys, but I still need to remove this LED from the shroud. Also, this transparent thing that helps the light to illuminate through the entire shroud. Yeah, I still need to remove this one because I don't want to paint this, so yeah. Yes, it's all done. And the next step is to paint this. So yeah, I'm ready. Let's go. Oh wait, I forgot to mention there's a label on the side of this shroud. So yeah, I still need to cover this one because I don't want to paint this. So yeah. So by the way guys, before you paint the shroud, it must be clean and dry. Avoid direct sunlight or breezy conditions. In my case, I'm in my room, so no problem at all. I suggest you shape the box same as mine so the paint will not be scattered inside your room or any places you want. Shake the can very well before applying and allow 30 minutes minimum between coats for best results. Apply as many coats as you want, maybe 3 to 4 is the average. Mine, I'll do 6 coats and allow 4 hours minimum dry time before use.
The next day.
So there you go guys, it's all finished. The next thing I will do is to assemble it again. And yeah, as you can see here, when I peel off the tape, as you can see, some of the paint came off. and I did use a cutter, which is kind of messed up as well because I did scratch the label a bit, but yeah, as long as you don't stare it nearly, you cannot see it, but yeah, it works fine. There are some little bubbles over here, which is fine for me as well. Nobody's perfect, yeah. So, and the next thing is I will assemble it again, and we'll be putting this inside my case. So, let's start.
Later.
Here you go, guys. Yeah, it's really good. As you can see, the white Strix is very nice. I don't know why Asus doesn't make white version of this card. It looks good, you know. Come on, Asus, please make cards like this. Yeah, so I will install it now.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Hello guys, so yeah, after that installation, after I've painted my graphics card, there was a problem that happened. I will just explain it to you right away. So yeah, so it's been a week already since I've made that video. So yeah, this is just an updated day, yeah, a week ago. So yeah, for example, yeah, as you can see here, this is one of the parts of my Noctua NHD15S. So yeah, this is the air cooler that I have, and for example, this is my graphics card. When I tried to install the graphics card vertically, I wasn't really expecting that it will not fit, you know, because it's the card and the cooler is colliding like this, so I cannot really put the card inside because of this huge cooler. So yeah, after many hours of thinking how to solve this problem, I've decided to buy an AIO cooler. Yeah, I know it kinda sucks because I want air coolers, you know, just to be unique, you know, because most of the builds today is made out of air, you know, water cooling system. So yeah, I just to solve this problem, I bought AIO cooler. So yeah, as you can see here, you cannot see it because I covered it, and it's just a surprise for this day. I will show you my system. So yeah, I will show it to you guys. You want? Alright, I will show you. 1, 2, 3. So there you have it, guys. Yeah, it's quite good. It's looking good. I wasn't really expecting that I will switch into AIO coolers, but for now it works fine. Maybe in the near future I will find some air coolers because that's what I wanted. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Hope you enjoy. Hit the like button if you like it. Subscribe if you aren't already. And see you in the next video. God bless. Bye.